Hello friend, this is Richa Sharma. Welcome to my channel Let's Study with Richa. Today we will discuss this difference between guidance and counseling. I have already made one video or many videos of topic of guidance and counseling, so you can go on my channel and you can watch it. In this video, because of your demand, I am clearing the difference or main comparison between guidance and counseling. So let's start. We will not waste time. Meaning of guidance. What is the exact meaning of guidance? Guidance is an approach used to help learners choose their courses or career paths wisely. Guidance word is mainly used for to choose the career paths or their courses what they should do in their future. It aims at helping the person develop themselves for their future. It serves individuals with ready solutions, means individual is coming with a problem and they are getting the solution at the same time, means guidance is provided at the same time with the ready solutions. Okay, next, guidance involves creating an awareness of strengths and potentials of an individual for overcoming problems. Guidance is used to tell the individual what is their strong point and what is their negative point, so that they can overcome the problems regarding by their strong and weak points, and taking into considerations what they should do or what they should not do. Okay, next, guidance aims at making the individual self-directing, self-accepting and self-understanding. Listen, now one individual knows what is the positive point, what is the negative point, so definitely they can it means they are accepting themselves what they can do and what they cannot do, right? So they understand themselves that whenever the problem comes, they can solve it or not. If they can solve it, and then how can they solve that problem, right? So they accept themselves and they direct themselves, they give direction to themselves when the problem is coming or whenever they need. Okay, next, guidance aims at making people know on pros and cons of their decisions. That pros and cons means positive points and cons means negative points. Guidance aims at making people that whenever they are taking decisions, what will be the positive impact of that decision and what will be the negative impact of that decision. Okay, now we will discuss counseling. What is the exact meaning of counseling? The definition of counseling refers to guidance or advice provided to help someone resolve difficulties or decide issues. Okay, to resolve their difficulties, the difficulty can be in in any field. It can be related to education, it can be related to their social relation, their emotions, in any field. Okay, in simple words, the process of assisting and guiding clients, especially by a trained person on a professional basis, to resolve especially personal, social or psychological problems and difficulties. Means counseling is done by the trained person. Guidance can be given by anyone. Anyone means the person who has experience in their life, they can give guidance to their younger ones. Okay, but for counseling they need they need training, they need a specific degree. Okay, this is the main difference. We are discussing here the main comparison between guidance and counseling. Okay, like example, when you visit a therapist to work out your relationship issue, this is an example of counseling. Whenever you go to therapist, the therapist is the person who has taken the degree in that field, right? They have taken the training. That's why they were there, na. Next is major difference between guidance and counseling. That now we have understood that what is the exact meaning of guidance and counseling. Now we will do the comparison, difference between the guidance and counseling. Guidance is preventive, means whenever a person is coming, then the guidance is given, don't do this, if you will do this then you will get this problem, right? While counseling is curative. In counseling, a person discuss their problem, they speak everything whatever comes in their mind. Okay, you may seek guidance before choosing career, but you seek counseling to save a problematic marriage. Here I have written the problematic marriage because mainly the issues in that respect only, but you can you can need counseling in any field, in education department, in your social problems, in your economic problems, in any field. Okay, next, guidance helps an individual make the best choices, while counseling helps them change their perspective. Okay, guidance can help an individual to make the best choices, what are the options they have, and which path they should choose. Like they are given the main guidance before they choose the line. But in counseling, when they do the counseling, they have decided, but during after the counseling they can change their perspective. Whatever they have decided firstly, they can change that up properly. Okay. Guidance gives clients ready answers, while counseling helps them come up with a well-informed solutions. Means in guidance, person comes with a problem and they get the answer at the time. But in counseling, person comes with a problem and also finds solution themselves, because in counseling, the counselor helps the individual to know what is in the mind, which is which is what they are thinking, what they need to do. This all information is inside of the problematic person, but they are not able to find. So counseling helps them to come up with the well-informed solutions. The person comes with the problem, and the same time they try to solve that problem themselves with the help of counselor. Okay. Next is guidance uses an external approach to tackle the issue at hand, while counseling uses an in-depth approach to establish the root causes of the problem before tackling it. Means in guidance, external approach is used. Means the person comes with example with the problem, and the person who is giving the guidance, they go to their past and they see their experience and then give the solution. In counseling process, they do the in-depth approach. Like the person comes with a problem. In problem, they ask one question. Okay, the person gives the answer, and the counselor put another question from the answer. In this way, they try to help to solve the problem. Next is guidance is best approach for tackling educational and career problems, while counseling is best employed in tackling social, psychological and other personal problems. Okay, guidance is mainly used in educational and career problems. Guidance is provided by an expert in the field at hand or anybody superior. A teacher is teaching, so they can give guidance also to the students. But counseling is given by the people who have trained professionally to handle psychological problems. Okay, they have taken the training, they have completed their degree. Okay. Next is guidance provides ready answers and decisions for clients, while counseling empowers individuals to create the most appropriate solutions to tackle an issue. As I told you, the person comes with problem and the person who is giving guidance, they give the solution. But in counseling, they try to find out what is going on in the mind of the person who come with the problem. Okay. Next, in guidance, confidentiality is not a guarantee. It can be conducted for an individual or a group. Here, one main point is also there. Guidance can also be given in a group. At that time, when the guidance is given in a group, the problem of many persons is solved. The guidance can also be given on a specific topic, which is relevant to all students. Okay, but in counseling, you are guaranteed confidentiality since the sessions are always one-to-one. Okay. In counseling, it is guaranteed that your information will not be given to any other person. Okay, so these sessions are done on the private basis. Guidance may be given in groups, but counseling given to individual, not in groups. Because individual person want to do counseling because they have individual problem, they are facing any emotional problem, any psychological problem. In guidance, face-to-face relation is not important. As I told you that guidance can also be given in a group. So in a group, it is not important, and it is very difficult to give face-to-face relation. Okay, but in counseling, it is important. It may be given in any normal setup. Guidance can be given in a classroom, right? It requires but here it means counseling requires a special setup room, room to conduct. Okay. It is an integral part of education and helps in fulfilling its aims. But counseling is needed in all the fields. Next, conclusion. If we conclude that difference, then both guidance and counseling aim at solving problem. In guidance also and in counseling also, the main motive is to solve the problem. But in guidance, main aim is giving a solution, while counseling focuses on finding solution. There is a big difference between giving a solution and to find a solution. Giving a solution means one person is helping the other person, and in finding a problem solution, one person is helping to find out the other person the solution. Okay, working on them before finding a solution through numerous methods such as therapy or psychotherapy. Okay, this we can conclude from the above discussion. So I hope now your concept is clear between the difference or comparison between guidance and counseling. If you like my session, so please like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe my channel. I also need your support. Thank you.